What's up, everybody? Eddie here. Welcome back to the channel. Want to welcome back to another video. Welcome all my day ones. Want to welcome all my new subscribers, all my new viewers. Welcome. If you're not yet subscribed, turn on that post notifications so whenever I do release new videos, you'll be notified. All right. So today I'm coming at you with a homemade mukbang. I actually having a homemade Italian meatball sub. Smells freaking amazing. Having red potato, parsley, garlic fries, mouthful, and just a regular old garlic garden salad. All right, so take a look at it. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm freaking a mess right now. Been cooking and doing all kinds of things around the house, so please forgive me. Smells amazing. So today I'm not gonna do talking. I'm just gonna get my grub on and see how it works. Okay, so instead of doing all I'm just gonna okay. All right, so all right, grab your food and let's get to grubbing. I hope you guys are eating something amazing. Can see all the cheesiness. This was a really easy meal. Got the meatballs before we get to starting grubbing. Got the meatballs at they're beef Italian meatballs. I got them at Sprouts, ready pre-seasoned and everything. Just put them in some marinara sauce. Yeah, and I just put it in the oven with some mozzarella cheese, some good tomato sauce. If you could smell this, boy. Let you guys take the first bite. Okay. All right. Salute. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Messy, messy. It's a mess right here. Oh my gosh. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to thumbs it up, comment down below, hit that subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed to the family. Excuse me. That was incredible. So delicious. Sorry. Okay. Yeah. If you like good Italian meatballs, if you have sprouts in your neighborhood, go get you some. it's real easy. I didn't record it. I meant to. It just, all I did was just put them in the oven and then put them in the sauce, let it kind of marinate on the sauce, and then just, yeah. So it can get nice and crunchy and cheesy. I just put the mozzarella on top of it and just put it in the oven for a couple of minutes on low heat. So good. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. All right, remember, be safe, be healthy, and I'll see you next video, guys. Much love. Peace.